Hey everyone, so today I'm going to show you how to make these cute snap clips. I'm not using snap clips, instead I'm using a alligator clip with teeth, but you can use a snap clip. So you're going to need fox leather and a piece of felt sheet. And these templates you can purchase from A&L Display and use that promo code to get a discount. So for each set, she has 3 different sizes. Like this one right here, it has 3. When I first seen this template, I thought first that I can turn this into like a band-aid. So it can be like a band-aid themed little hair bow. And then this one can be like a thermometer or a carrot. Here's an ice cream one. Ice cream cone with the ice cream on top. Here's a little scalloped one, and then here's like a longer rectangular scalloped one. So today I'm going to be doing the oval shape, and I'm going to be using the second one. So all I'm going to do is put my fox leather on top of my felt sheet, turn it around, and I'm going to trace it. And this is just going to save me some time from having to trace them individually. So if you want to, you could just cut it like that, or you can get a needle and just put it in the center, kind of hold its place, and then start cutting. Just like that. Remove that. So now what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to grab your clip and kind of figure out where you want it. Make sure it's kind of centered. You're going to get your Mark Be Gone pen, and right there where those little things are to hold it, I'm just going to mark a little line on each side. So then I'm just going to pick up my felt part, fold it in half, and right there where we made those marks, I'm just going to snip it, just like that. So now I'm just going to add some glue to this portion. Then I'm going to go ahead and put my clip in. Just like that. And now you're going to want to go ahead and add glue to the remaining of it. You can do it in sections at a time, so that way you're aligning everything where it needs to be. Pressing down on it. Just like that. Cleaning up the glue. So if you've ever worked with felt before, you always have those little loose felt pieces. So just grab a lighter and run it through or around that part. And if you see any felt that was over, just trim around it. And that's it. Now you have a cute little clip. And you can do this for these other ones as well. So if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. I'll be listing the link to the Etsy shop and the Facebook group to where you can purchase these templates as well as this fox leather. And if you don't want your clip to move from here, all you have to do is add some glue and just hold it down. Because if not, it'll just be like that. It's not gonna go nowhere because you already glued it on the inside, but you can do it so it's not floppy or anything. So once again, thank you for watching, and like I said, if you have any questions, just comment below.